The process of generating a report with Genero Report Writer involves several steps. This video provides a general overview. Learn more about individual steps by watching the other videos provided in our training portal. Before you create a report, you should do some planning and research to ensure a finished product that is useful and complete. Ask the right questions of your report end users to determine report requirements. Who will use the report? What does the user want to see in the report? Does a report already exist that could be modified to satisfy the new requirements? How would the user like the data to be presented? Once you've established the requirements with your end user, you will be able to gather and analyze your data to determine which fields can be pulled directly from a data source, such as a database, and which fields must be calculated. Create a report model or prototype during this stage to help determine the formatting you'll use, the way the data will be grouped and sorted, and where you will add report summaries such as subtotals and breaks. You should share the prototype with the end user to assure the report design meets expectations. When the prototype is finished and you and the user are satisfied with the design, you're ready to begin work with Genero Report Writer. To get started, create a Genero project. Genero Studio comes with a project manager to help manage your project source files, libraries, and database schemas. The File New option from the Genero Studio main menu allows you to select a project type based on your selected language and methodology. Use the BAM project type to create a project for use with generated report applications. The BAM project includes nodes for database-related files, data source library files, and report designs. A report launcher application is created as well, allowing you to test your data source library from within the Genero Studio project. Add your database metaschema file under the database node in the project tree. With BAM, you can generate a data source from a data model diagram, which defines the business records or data sets that comprise the data model for your report application. The new Record Wizard allows you to select columns from the database tables to include in the business record. It also allows you to edit the query used to extract and order the data. Once you create and save your data model diagram, you build the library node containing the diagram in order to create two things: the data model schema file and the data source code. The data model schema file is added to a report design to provide details about the data model. It identifies the data structure and hierarchy. The report designer using this file has all the information about the data without the need to have an actual database connection. The data source code, generated in the language specified by the language property, is the code necessary to extract, serialize, and stream the data to the report. These files are the source that can be included as a library in your bespoke applications. If necessary, they can be customized through the addition of custom code. The Genero Report Designer provides a graphical interface for designing your reports. You can use a report template to quickly create an initial report design. A template is a general report design that is not tied to a specific data source. To use a template, you select a data source for the report design and then map data fields from the schema to data placeholders in the graphical design. The report is saved as an independent 4RP file. It is no longer associated with the template. The BAM project includes a report launcher application that allows you to test your data source library from within the Genero project. right-click the Report Launcher node and select Execute. Specify the archive or directory containing the data model classes you wish to use, then select the data model class and report. Click Run, and the report displays. In this video, you've learned the steps required to generate a report with Genero Report Writer and BAM. Watch other Report Writer videos to see examples and learn more about the individual steps.